In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a team member on Monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can bring a colleague into your workspace quickly and confidently. Before we begin, a quick note: you'll need permission to invite people to your account or board. If you don't see the option I mentioned, your admin may need to grant you access. Start by opening your Monday.com workspace and navigating to the board called Trial Management. You can get there from the left sidebar by selecting the correct workspace and choosing the board from your list. If your account has a lot of boards, using the search bar at the top can be the fastest way to locate it. Take a moment to confirm you've opened the intended board. Inviting from the right place helps ensure your new teammate starts with the appropriate context and access. If you're collaborating on a specific initiative, this board will act as their landing pad, making onboarding smoother. Once the trial management board is open, look to the upper right area of the screen for the invite control. Depending on your layout and plan, it may read invite, share, or show a person and plus icon. If your browser window is narrow and you don't see it, try expanding the window or checking the three-dot menu in the top corner. The invite option can sometimes collapse into the overflow menu on smaller screens. Clicking invite opens the dedicated invitation flow. Here's what to keep in mind as that panel appears. You'll typically be shown options related to who you're inviting and what they can access. If your organization uses different roles, make sure the default role aligns with what you want this person to do. It's generally a good idea to start with the least access they need and expand later. If your account distinguishes between members and guests, remember that members are usually people within your company domain, while guests are for external collaborators with limited access. Some plans also count seats for billing, so be aware of seat availability before you proceed. If you run into issues, the most common cause is permission restrictions or plan limits. Not seeing the invite button can indicate you're a viewer on the board or your account doesn't allow invitations from your role. In that case, check with your admin. Also, if you're collaborating on sensitive projects, verify the board's privacy settings before moving forward to keep information appropriately contained. That's it. You've opened the right board and accessed the invite flow, putting you a click away from bringing your teammate into Monday.com.